This is a tutorial on how to use the nav unit and set the preferences to go home on the 2018 TLX A-Spec. Step 1. Hit the navigation hard key button. Step 2. Select enter on the interface dial on the go home option of the navigation unit. From this screen, select the name option in order to name your home address. And then just type in the name of your home address. And then just click enter once you're finished. After you've put the name in, you can then go to address and select it using the interface dial. Then from this screen, you can choose to put your current position as your home address by clicking current position. This will automatically put where you're at as your home address. If you aren't currently at your home address, you can manually enter your home address by selecting the address option instead of current position. Once you have finished inputting your home address, make sure to click Save. After you've saved your home address into the navigation system, from the home screen, all you have to do to select to go home is hit the nav hard key, and then just select go home. Then you can say set as destination and it will confirm it at the top.
Destination.
Thank you for watching Hendrick Acura and Overland Park's tutorial on how to set up the navigation system.